Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Phantom Wallet and also a few of the features just to get you on track. So first and foremost, you want to go to the Phantom Wallet website and you can see it on my search bar right over here. Now the next stop would be to click on the download for Chrome button and that'll take you to the web store, and all you want to do is click to download the extension. Let that download up, and once it's done downloading, it's going to install and it'll immediately take you to Phantom. Now you want to go to create a new wallet, and then you can choose to continue with your email or create a seed phrase wallet. So depending on which one you chose, you'll have a few extra steps. Just follow the prompts. But once you get to this section, you're going to create your own password, confirm it, and agree to the terms of service. Okay, so now Phantom is set up and we want to go to our extensions and we want to pin it to the taskbar. Now we can click on Phantom and everything is set up here. So now there are a few different options, like for instance, receive. If somebody's going to send you some money, make sure to choose the right wallet and you can just copy your addresses. Next up, if you want to perhaps buy some meme coins, you can buy it in this screen. Let's say we want to buy dog with hat. If you want to swap tokens, you can do it from here. Perhaps you want to swap some Solana for some Pepe or dog with hat. You can do it all from the screen right over here. And then of course there are the send options in case you need to send some crypto to somebody, and that is pretty much the basics. Before I do forget, there is one other thing. If you go over here and go to your settings and you just want to go to security and privacy and you want to say show recovery phrase, you can click on here. You want to enter your password, and once you've done that, it's going to show you your secret recovery phrase. Keep that somewhere safe so that when you need it again, when maybe you forget your password or something, you can still recover your wallet and not lose all your Solana or whatever it may be. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.